आई गुरु माँ सत्यवती फ्रॉम सत्यवती कुटी साहिबाबाद NCR दिल्ली will preach to you all today on subject four forms चार गतियां part 1 this subject is covered by two parts second part will be covered next day four forms चार गतियां there is a game called चौपड़ in this game there are four roads on four sides and one center very small wooden doors walk around on these roads but when they reach in the center they stop walking so word is चौपड़ and four forms are four roads every human being of world is also coming and going in these four forms like wooden doors what are those four forms चार गतियां क्या हैं फर्स्ट फॉर्म गति और लाइफ इज हेल लाइफ मीन्स नरक गति when this soul goes to hell it has to suffer a lot जब यह आत्मा नरक में जाती है तो महान कष्ट उठाती है द फर्स्ट हार्ड टाइम इन हेल is that soul does not take birth from mother but it is dropped from top when soul feels hungry in hell they only get iron piece when they feel thirsty they get blood and pus to drink नरक में जब जीव को भूख लगती है तो खाने को लोहे के चने दिए जाते हैं प्यास लगती है तो पीने के लिए ब्लड एंड पस दिया जाता है besides that they get a lot of different pain only we can escape from this hell life when we do not do any crime हम नरक से तभी बच सकते हैं जब कोई अपराध नहीं करेंगे फर्स्ट इज कलेक्शन परिग्रह संग्रह सेकंड इज किलिंग हिंसा थर्ड इज इमोशन मोह The second life is animal life, who takes birth from mother and has 4 legs. That is animal. They spend their whole life tied with rope. पशु बेचारे अपना पूरा जीवन रस्सों से बंधकर बिता देते हैं. When they feel hungry or thirsty, they stand in front of other, and so the desire by seeing. When farmer give them food, they eat. Otherwise, they cry with tears. Sometimes farmers put a load of weight on them or punch a ball in their nose or ear. Then they cry inside. So, ladies and gentlemen, there is lot of pain in animal's life. If you want to escape, keep your heart pure as much as you can. It means your inside and outside should be same. यदि आप पशु गति के दुखों से बचना चाहते हो तो छल कपट मत करो. जो मन में हो वही वचन से कहो, तभी आप पशु गति के दुखों से बच सकते हो. हैप्पी ब्लेसिंग्स टू ऑल डिवोटीज. ओम शांति. जय लॉर्ड महावीरा.